Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of project management in Zoho Projects: delete permissions. Whether you're a project manager, administrator, team lead, or just a regular user, understanding how to manage delete permissions is crucial for optimizing your project management experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to delete various elements in Zoho Projects, who has the permissions to do so, and where to edit or set these permissions. Task layout fields are integral in Zoho Projects, a potent project management and collaboration tool. They crucially structure and organize project information, simplifying effective task and project management. To create task layout fields in Zoho Projects, log into your Zoho Projects account and select the customization option from the setup, navigate to Layouts and Fields, and choose Tasks. Next, create a new layout by clicking on the Create Layout button located in the upper right corner. Select a base layout to build your new layout on. If you haven't created any layouts before, the system will display the default layout as an option. Provide a name for your new layout to differentiate it from the default layout. Finally, click the Create button after filling in the required details to successfully create your custom task layout. Add fields to your layout by dragging and dropping, customize properties, and click on Add to Layout. Save the layout by clicking Save Layout. To edit a layout, begin by accessing the Layouts and Fields section by navigating to Customization, then Layouts and Fields, and finally Tasks. Next, select the layout you wish to modify. Click on it to access the layout editor. To edit fields within the layout, simply hover over the field you want to change and click the edit icon, the pencil icon. This allows you to make necessary adjustments to the field's properties and field's permissions. After making the desired modifications, be sure to click Save Layout to save your changes effectively. Deleting task layout fields in Zoho Projects is a privilege typically reserved for users with specific access rights. To delete a task layout field, start by accessing the Layouts and Fields section. You can do this by navigating to Customization, then Layouts and Fields, then Tasks. To delete a layout, hover over the specific layout you intend to remove, and then click on the trash icon associated with it. Users have the capability to duplicate existing layouts and designate them as private layouts. From the Task Layout List view, users have the capability to convert an existing layout into a private one by adding a project to it. To convert a private layout to public, hover over a layout from the list view. Click the plus icon next to the layout. Confirm the action by clicking Convert to Public on the confirmation message. The layout is now accessible to all project users as it has been made public. A default task layout field cannot be altered or deleted from a layout. It can only be reordered. Detailed permissions for default task layout fields are elucidated in the accompanying diagram. You can exercise additional control over permissions for specific layouts by making adjustments. Begin by selecting a layout, then click Edit for the particular field you want to modify. Next, click on Edit Permissions. From this point, you have the flexibility to modify permissions for manager, employee, contractor, and any other custom roles. It's important to note that permissions for admin and client cannot be altered. After making the necessary changes to permissions, click Save. Once all the fields within the layout have been modified as needed, remember to click Save Layout to preserve the updated permissions for that specific layout. Issue layouts and fields in Zoho Projects allow for the customization and organization of issue-related information within the platform. To access the Layouts and Fields section in Zoho Projects, log in and click Customization from the setup, then select Issues. To create a new issue layout, click Create Layout in the upper right corner. Choose a base layout if needed and provide a unique name. Click Create to generate your custom issue layout, personalize it, and then save it by clicking Save Layout. To access the Layouts and Fields section for issues, go to Customization, then Layouts and Fields, then Issues. To associate a project with a layout, click the plus icon located to the right of the selected layout. Confirm your action by clicking Associate. To view the layout, navigate to the Layouts and Fields section by clicking on the Customization from the setup. Then, go to Layouts and Fields and choose Issues. Here, you'll find a list of created issue layouts. For editing a layout, simply select the layout you wish to modify, make the required changes, and then click on Save Layout to save the updated layout. Hover over the layout you wish to remove, and then click the trash icon. Confirm your action to delete the layout. Now, let's talk about comments. To delete comments by other users, navigate to the task where the comment is located and look for the Delete option next to it. Click on Delete to remove your comment. Administrators follow the same steps to delete a comment. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure you want to delete the comment. Confirm your action if prompted. Moving on to Task and Bug Custom Views. These help you filter and organize tasks and bugs. To create a custom view, click on Projects in the left navigation panel within Zoho Projects. Once in the Projects section, locate and click on the Project View drop-down menu. In the Project View drop-down, select Add Create Custom View to start creating your custom view. Next, you'll need to define the criteria for your custom view. Click on the plus icon to add a criteria, and use the X icon to delete criteria as needed. You can use operators like and or to combine criteria as per your requirements. Enter a name for your custom view in the Custom View Name field. Optionally, provide a description and enable the Custom View column if necessary. Select the accessibility settings based on your preferences. You can choose to share the custom view with select users, all users, or keep it for personal use. Click Save to create your custom view. To delete task and bug custom views, navigate to the relevant project or module where the custom view you want to delete is located. Locate the specific custom view that you wish to delete. For project-based custom views, hover over the custom view's name and click on the delete icon. For global custom views, click on the Views drop-down, hover over the custom view you want to delete, and then click the delete icon. Finally, let's explore project baselines. These are snapshots of your project's initial schedule. Project baselines are accessible in the Enterprise plan. Users with Edit All permission for tasks can view, create, and edit a project baseline. To delete a project baseline, access the Gantt chart. Navigate to the project where you want to edit or delete a baseline. Select Gantt and Reports from the project menu. Choose Gantt Chat and then Milestone Gantt. Now, to edit a baseline, click the pencil icon located in the upper right corner of the Gantt chart. Enter a new name for the baseline. Click Save to save the changes. And to delete a baseline, hover over the baseline you want to delete. Click the trash icon to delete the base. Whether you're managing layouts, comments, custom views, or baselines, understanding these permissions is essential for efficient project management. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.